this is Preeta. In this video, we are going to see about the chapter 4 decimal class 7. In the last video, I have done the first two sums from the exercise 4.1. Okay. Now we are going to do from the third one multiplication. Okay, multiply. We are going to multiply 4.5 into 10. Okay. Whenever we multiply a number by 10, we need to just add a 0 at the end of the number. So 45 into 10 is 450. Okay. In this video, here we can see that decimal is kept after one digit. So here we can keep the decimal as after the one digit. The answer is 45.0. Now the second sum B. 0.045 into 10. So whenever we multiply with the number by 10, we just need to add a 0 at the end. Okay. So here we will be getting 00450. Here 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is after 3 digits. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. 0. This can be written as 0.450. Third sum 88.8 into 100. Okay. Now when we multiply 888 into 100, we just need to add 20 at the end. So the answer will be 88800. Here the decimal point is after one digit. So the answer will be 8880.0. D sum 7.594 into 100. Here the answer will be 759,400. 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is after 3 digits. So we need to keep decimal point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay. 759.400. Last sum 88.8 into 1000. Okay. Here we need to multiply 88.8 into 1000. So we will be putting the same number with 3 followed by 3 zeros. So answer will be 888123. Now the decimal point is after one digit. So we can keep the decimal point after one number. Okay. So the answer is 88,800.0. Now we are going to see the fourth multiply. Fourth one A. 4.359 into 1 equal to B. 0.15 into 0. C. 8.59 into 1 equal to D. 4.001 into 0 equal to E. 0.001 into 1 equal to. Okay. So first one, whenever we multiply a number with 1, we will be getting the same number. So 4.359 into 1, the answer will be 4.359. 0.15 into 0. Whenever we multiply a number with a 0, the answer will always be 0. Here 8.59 into 1. So 8.59 into 1 multiplied by 1 will be 8.59. 4.001 into 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Here 0.001 multiplied by 1 will give you 0.001. Okay. This is the fourth sum multiplied. Now we are going to see the last sum in the exercise 4.1. Fifth sum is, if 4321 into 22 equal to 95062, then fill in the blanks with actual calculation. So the fifth one is, if 4321 into 22 equal to 95062. 95062. Okay, so we need to find the values. First one is 43.21 into 22. Second one 4.321 into 2.2. 4321 into 0.22. 432.1 into 0.022. Okay. So when we multiply 4321 into 22, we will be getting this answer. This is 95062. In the sum A, we find that decimal point is after 2 digits. So we need to keep the decimal point after 2 digits in the answer. So the answer is 950.62. In the second sum, 4.321 multiplied by 2.2. So when this 4321 is multiplied by 22, we will be getting the same answer, 95062. Here we can count the decimal point. In the first one, we have 3 digits after the decimal, and here 1 digit after the decimal. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits after the decimal. So we need to keep the decimal after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9.5062. Okay. Now the C, 4321 into 0.22. So the answer will be 95062. We need to keep decimal point after 2 digits. Here only decimal point is present in this number, and the decimal point is after 2 digits. So we need to keep the decimal point after 2 digits. Last sum, 4321 into 0.0222. So the answer will be the same, 95062. Now we need to count the digits after the decimal. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1. So totally 4 digits after the decimal. We need to keep the decimal point after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 9.5062. Now 4.1 exercise is completed. We will start with the exercise 4.2 in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.